Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bike freewheel. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, RivaPoint Pop 3D Scanner. Specifications. Brand name, RivaPoint. Scan breadth, 210mm by 130mm. Single capture range, 210mm by 130mm. Minimum scan volume, 50 by 50 by 50. Output format, STL, PLY, OBJ. Scanner weight, handle, 225 grams. Dimensions, 154.6 by 38.2 by 25.6. Seems to be used, 3D printer accessories. The item number 2 is Creality 3D CR Scan. Specifications. Brand name, Creality 3D. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, C. Non-contact active, handhold laser. Model number, CR Scan 01. Main features, fast scanning. High precision. Automatic data processing. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Pop 2 3D High Precision Scanner. Specifications. Brand name, RivaPoint. Scan breadth, 210mm by 130mm. CPU, dual-core ARM Cortex-A7. Single capture range, 210mm by 130mm. Working distance, 150-400mm. Minimum scan volume, 20 by 20 by 20 Output format, PLY, OBJ, STL. Scanner weight, 195 grams. Dimensions, 154.6 by 38.2 by 25.6 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 5.1 GHz. Connector type, micro USB. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.